Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across a Grand Theft Auto issue or error. This is the connection to the session lost due to an unknown network error. Please return to the Grand Theft Auto homepage and try again later. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I'd recommend doing would be to open up a web browser, and I'm going to have a link to Rockstar Games server status check. So if you want to go ahead and paste that into the URL address bar at the top of your web browser and see if there are any server issues that are being reported. If there are, that means it's likely not on your end and you just might have to be a little bit patient. You might want to follow their social media channels like Twitter and Facebook and see if there's any additional service status updates to be provided. It's the first thing I'd recommend looking at. Something else we can try here as well, if you were to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, or come back with command prompt, right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And then into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig followed by a space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back with Windows IP configuration. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Once again, exactly how you see it on my screen, and hit enter. Should come back with successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. And you want to restart your computer at this time. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this point issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.